Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. So for this, of course, you have to open your Telegram application first. Then simply tap on these three bars in the top left corner and go for this settings. In settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this option Telegram FAQ. Just simply tap on it. After you open the FAQ, you need to locate the contents. To do that, all you need to do is scroll up and then you have to locate the option your account. Here it is. You should then see the option for delete your Telegram account. Just click on it and then it will then take you straight to the section, and what you need to do is go to the deactivation page. So go and click on this deactivation page like so. It's going to go and open it up in Telegram. Now on this page what you can do is you have to enter your Telegram number here and then simply tap on this next, and now you have to confirm your code here. You will receive a login code on your Telegram application. You just have to paste your code here and then you simply have to tap on this sign in at the bottom, and then you will get taken to the delete your account page, and it will say if you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted and beyond retrieval. So just remember all of that and make sure you read it through here, and you can then go and give a reason for why you are leaving, and then all you need to do is tap on delete my account and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.